Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to reduce file size in Premiere Pro. So it's very simple. First thing you will need to do, check out this file. So this file has 2.7 megabytes. We want to reduce the size of it, so I already have it in Premiere. Now click I on the start of your clip and then click O at the end of your clip. This will select this area that you want to render. Then go ahead and click on export, and here is the file reduction process. Here you have to click match source and then go all the way down to bitrate settings, as you can see. And now here you have the bitrate slider. As you can see here, estimated file size 10 megabytes, which is too much. So we will lower our bitrate. So let's say 5. As you can see now, 3 megabytes. We need less, so go ahead and go over to 1.5, let's say. As you can see, it has 1000 kilobytes right now, which is estimated file size, so you have to export it in order to see how it looks. Click on export then, and now as you can see, it has 1.2 megabytes. So the original clip was 1 time larger than this, as you can see, without much loss in quality. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.